Hey guys, I'm Airgun Angie.
I'm Edmund.
Hey. We have the Umarex Gauntlet. It's 22 cal. Edmund has never shot it before. Test. We're gonna see who can get closest to the kill zone on a shooting stick, because when we're hunting, we're not gonna bring a table and a bag with us. Like most places, like out west, not so much out here in the south. In the south, we still hunt and we usually have a tree we get up in, or we hunt with shotguns. So we're gonna have a kill zone competition, shooting off of this, what do you call it? Shooting stick. I've had a little bit of practice. He has not. So Edmund, would you like to shoot first?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to go first.
All right, well, I'm gonna take the buck on the right with the black and pink background. You can take the buck on the left. Hold on, guys, we're gonna get set up. We will be right back. Let's see who wins. So it's loaded and ready. All right, we are about 25 yards back. I actually thought when I practiced that I did better leaning on the tree, but the target showed that I did better on the shooting stick. So, because I feel like I'm extremely wobbly with this thing. That's a dead deer.
How big is the red spot anyway?
It's probably not even the size of a dime. It's smaller than a dime. I'm serious.
What kind of crap is that?
Ugh. I think Edmund's gonna beat me.
I got shot there, Mom.
All right, whenever you're ready. Oh, fast shot. Have you given up? So guys, we looked at the targets and Edmund won. Like barely though, right?
Doesn't matter if you win by 30 points or 2 points, still win.
Yeah, he got closer. All 10 shots were right there, either on the deer or at least on that small paper. It's not a very big paper and we're about 25 yards back. So I was pretty wobbly on the stick. I think he was pretty wobbly on the stick. I think we did well. Edmund's over there spraying and praying, and did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was fun. If y'all have any suggestions on competitions that him and I can do, let us know, please. I have a lot of fun with him. You have a lot of fun with me?
Yes.
All right, guys, that's it. I'm Airgun Angie.
And I'm Edmund.
This is the Umarex Gauntlet 22 cal. And this is our homemade shooting stick. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you, Umarex. We'll see you later.